To insert a logo on every page in Microsoft Word, the most professional and efficient method is using the header and footer tool. This ensures the logo stays in the exact same position on every page without you having to copy and paste it manually. So here how you can do that. For this you need to double click near the very top of the page. This will open the header and footer tab, and now head to the insert tab and click on the picture and click on this device and select the logo from your computer. Select the logo and click insert, and when you try to move it, it is not moving. For this you need to click on this layout option and click on this in front of tags, and now you can make it resize and place the position wherever you want it. For example, to place on the right side, and you can also rotate it from here, make it resize like this one. It's up to you how you use it. And now double click anywhere in the main body of the document, and here you can see that the logo has been inserted on every page of the Word document. I hope now you understand how you can easily insert logo in all pages in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.